They called me at the last minute. But there should go. Dang. Alright guys, we're about to pick up the whip. They called me at the last minute and told me it was ready, so I don't know how much I'm going to be able to record right now, but we are here. Man, look at all these wrecked cars, bro. That's crazy. But there should go.
I was the last year to make the 300, right?
Yeah, I know. I waited a whole year for this drink.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. There she go.
Camaro's done too. The
Camaros. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what's up. Okay.
Obviously, you can pull it out, you know.
Yeah.
Oh
yeah, it should look fresh.
Yeah, you have a lifetime warranty on the paint and the workmanship.
Okay.
So if anything other bubbles, peels, chips, cracks, flakes, you
right
back here, you can always bring it back to me.
Okay, cool.
Go shop.
All right.
I don't think you'll have that problem.
Yeah. All right, bet. Yeah. I know I told y'all I wasn't gonna do no muffler delete, but I don't know. She kind of quiet. I might have to cut these mufflers off, but we're gonna, this joint dirty. I'm gonna have to go put some water on this joint real quick. I'm sorry. But I'm gonna pull the car up a little bit so we can see exactly what they did. You know what I'm saying? Man, feel good to be back in my car. Yes, indeed. What is this? What do they need? Oh, no, this is my paperwork. Okay. That's my paperwork. Man, I'm glad to be back in my car, y'all. Y'all just don't know, bruh. Yes, indeed. Same amount of gas. Valet mode still active. But we're going to find out when I put this code in there if it's still active. If I go to put my code in here and it's something different, there you go, deactivated. So that means they ain't fooled with it. Cool. So that actually worked for me. Came in handy. Y'all see that scat right there? Whole front end gone off that joint. Dang. They gonna fix it though. They got a lot of wrecked cars out here. I'm gonna pull right here. Check out the back real quick before I drive all the way home. Make sure this junk's straight. Alright. So y'all remember what it looked like when it was damaged. Alright guys, so I'm dropping her off. And here's the damage. Right here. As you can see, it's kind of mainly like scratches. Ding right there. Right there. Scratch right there. Now look at it. All fresh and clean. Brand new again, baby. Brand spanking new. Tag still dented. But that joint's still good to go. Yes, indeed. She's dirty, but we're gonna clean her up. Y'all probably can't tell on camera though, but we're gonna clean her up.